Alright, Pat back here with you from Hot Wheels Hunter Akron. Alright, y'all. Got about 16 minutes, huh? So we'll start off with the Matchbox Trucks. Matchbox Flatbed King. '35 Ford pickup. Kingston Pop. Nissan Hardbody 95. So there's no skateboard in the back. You know, always Hot Wheels trucks always seem to have a skateboard in the back. Funny, huh? Another 95 Nissan Hardbody. Same thing, it's just a recolor, huh? Nissan Juniors, 1962. A 2017 Ford Skyjacker Super Duty F350. Pretty nice. And the truck I've always wanted. The money truck. Yeah, International Armored Car. Alright. That's it of the Matchbox Trucks, huh? I got a spare one of these. It was there. I said, well, I don't have one to open, so now I do. Alright. Here's a custom 62 Chevy. 53rd anniversary is delivery for Hot Wheels. I don't know what that is in the back. Looks like part of a surfboard that's broken in half. Or Jaws got him or something, see that? I don't know. Pretty cool. 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. Can't go wrong with these, right? Again, from the 53rd anniversary of Hot Wheels. That's the livery we're seeing. Pretty cool. Got the motor sticking up. Blue chrome. I guess that's what we'll call it. And a 2017 Ford GT. I have a lot of them. I just wanted this one loose to go with my other exotics that I have on the shelf. Got a little bit of weight to them. That's a good looking car. Alright. I think of that. Sorry about the glare.